Is your Zoom audio cutting out mid-meeting? Yeah? 1 second you hear someone, the next, it's silence. Don't worry, in this guide I'll show you how to fix Zoom audio dropouts step by step. Most audio dropouts happen because of a weak or unstable internet connection. Run a speed test and make sure you have a stable connection. If possible, use a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. It's much more reliable. Next, check for apps using your internet in the background. Streaming, downloads, cloud backups. Close or pause them while you're in Zoom to prevent audio cutting out. Open Zoom and click the arrow next to the speaker and microphone icons. Make sure the correct devices are selected and uncheck automatically adjust microphone volume if it's fluctuating too much. Audio cutouts can also happen with outdated software. Check for Zoom updates and install the latest version. Also, update your audio drivers on Windows or Mac OS to ensure compatibility. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, disconnect and try wired headphones. Some Bluetooth connections can be unstable and cause your audio to drop intermittently. Sometimes the simplest fix works. Leave the meeting, close Zoom completely, and then reopen and rejoin. This refreshes audio routing and often stops cutting out. And that's it. A combination of stable internet, correct audio settings, and updated software usually fixes Zoom audio cutouts. Try these steps in order, and you should have smooth, continuous audio in your next meeting.